Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Whether you're looking to grow your audience, monetize your content, or simply explore new features, enabling professional mode is a great way to enhance your profile. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. This works for both Android and iPhone users. Once the app is open, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or selecting your name from the main screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the three dots located next to your profile picture. These dots represent the menu for additional options. Tap on them to open up a list of settings. From here, scroll down until you see the option labeled Turn on Professional Mode. Tap on it. Facebook will display some prompts explaining what professional mode entails and how it works. Follow these prompts carefully to complete the setup process. Once you've finished, Facebook might ask you to adjust certain settings or add details such as a bio, cover photo, or profile picture. Completing these steps will help optimize your profile for professional mode. After everything is set up, return to your profile page and refresh it. You should now see changes indicating that professional mode is active, such as a digital creator label and access to tools like analytics and monetization options. And that's it. You've successfully turned on professional mode on Facebook. With this feature enabled, you can start creating content, tracking engagement, and even earning money through features like Facebook Reels. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful.